Hi, this is Andy, and I'm in the US now. This is part 4 of the tutorial. I know this has taken like a million years, maybe. Uh, but yeah, I'm back for the last part of my tutorial. This is part 4. There'll probably be another part. I think that'll probably be the last part. This is gonna be short, I promise. So when we reach the top layer, you will have 4 cases. And when I say 4 cases, I'm talking in regards to the edges, or the way the edges are on the top layer. Because in this part of the tutorial, we will be solving the cross on the top layer. We started with a cross on the bottom, now we're going to the cross on the top. So the first possible case is a dot, and no edges with a white on them. I mean, they all have white, but no edges with white are facing up. They're not flipped upwards. That's one case where you have no edges flipped upwards. You have 2 edges, either like this or like this. You either have an L, an inverse L, or a minus sign. And of course, you also have the case where all the edges are oriented correctly, where all the whites are facing to the top. And that you have your white cross, and we wouldn't need any further explanation. You can basically skip this part, but it's always good to learn. If you get a dot, what you want to do is you want to learn this algorithm. Keep the white on your top, keep the dot on your top, and turn the front face clockwise, up, go, down, back, and turn the front face anti-clockwise. And you will get an inverse L, which is the same thing, it's just that this one has one oriented corner. From the inverse L, we will do another front, up, go, down, back, front inverse, and we have to position the L this way so that it follows your right hand. If you were to raise your thumb and your index finger, you will see a similar shape. So remember, it's the top left-hand corner. Put the 2 edges at your top left-hand corner, and then front, up, go, down, back, front inverse. And you will get a minus sign, which is very similar to this one. And from the minus sign, front, up, go, down, back, front inverse. There. You get a cross, which is equivalent to the cross we have over here. Alright, so now I have 4 cross cases here. I'm not sure if they're all different, but yeah, some of them are solved, some of them are not solved. Let's see what we have. Yeah. These 2 have correct crosses. When I say correct crosses, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 edges all matched up to their respective centers. And so this is a good cross. If you have this, you can skip this step. If you don't, then you might want to stick around. Anyways, if you don't, chances are that you have a case like this, where you have 2 edges that match up, and 2 edges that don't. Or else, you may have 2 opposite edges that match up, and 2 opposites that don't. This is the case that you will not like, because you have to do this algorithm twice. And some of you may end up with a case where you have 1 edge that match up, and 3 that don't. 1, 2, 3, and 1 that match up. If you have this case, it's really easy. All you gotta do is turn it once, You find that they all don't match up. Turn it twice. One matches up. 1, 2, 3 don't match up. And then you turn it one more time. You find that you have 1, 2 matching up, and 2 not matching up. So you will have 2 edges that are match up and 2 edges that are not matched up. It just varies between either whether they're adjacent or whether they're opposite each other. So if they're adjacent to each other, this is what you would say, what I would say be your favorite case, because all you need to do is switch these 2 edges. And how you want to switch them is like this. Place the 2 correct edges in your top right hand corner, and the 2 not matched edges on your bottom left corner. Up, go, down, go, up, go, go, down, go. And you see, you have just switched those 2, and these 2 remain the same. Again, yeah, this one, these 2 don't match, and these 2 match. Up, go, down, go, up, go, go, down, go. See, now they all match up. That's a good cross. Now, what about the case where you have the opposites matching up? Well, all you gotta do is this algorithm twice. It doesn't really matter how you place the edges because they don't really matter. Up, go, down, go, up, go, go, down, go. You will find that you have 1 that matches up, and these three don't match up. All you gotta do is turn it back 1 step, and you find that these 2 match up, and these 2 don't. So what you want to do, like always, put the 2 that match up in the top right hand corner, and put these 2 that don't match up in the bottom left corner. Same thing. Up, go, down, go, up, go, go, down, go. Now you have all the corners placed correctly.